Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Stratus HR. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in stratus.hr and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Stratus HR. Now from the home page, click on the sign in button at the top right corner and you will be taken into the login portal. Click on login to enter your username and password. Now within the username box, type in the username that you have set while creating your account and then enter your account password within the password box. You can then click on the login button and you will be logged into your Stratus HR account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can also find the forgot password button underneath the password box, which you can click on to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your HR account with Stratus. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.